learn how to make this fun giant peppermint popsicle for a wreath attachment or Christmas decor. So first I got these giant popsicle sticks. They're from Walmart. I will link in the description where you can get a sheet of styrofoam like this. And so I just took my hot knife and I cut a slit into the bottom and pressed these sticks into there. Now I'm not making a double popsicle. I actually made a pastel version of this, which I will post soon. But then I'm just taking my hot knife and I'm just cutting it so that it's round on the corners. And at first the plan was to kind of take a little bite out of the top, but I see a lot of people do that and I decided to do a little bit something different. So now I'm just taking a piece of sandpaper and I'm just smoothing down all the edges. They're a little bit uneven, and you know how styrofoam can kind of fall apart. I'm just trying to get rid of those loose little pieces. I did give this a little coat of my fake bake sauce, which is basically Mod Podge plus speckle, and so that's the white coating you see on that, is just to make it a little more smooth. You don't have to do it. And then I'm just using red acrylic paint. You can get it anywhere. And then just make sure to also paint the sides and back as well. So now I'm just adding my favorite chunky glitter from Hobby Lobby. It's called Red Velvet. In case you don't know, you want to add your chunkier glitter first, and then if you have medium, then do a coat of that, and then if you have fine, do that. If you add the fine first, you're not going to get that chunky stuff to stick. And of course, I like to admire the sparkle. So now I'm just taking some DAP lightweight spackle, and it has a little bit of Mod Podge in it just to make it a little bit runnier. And I'm just going to draw a drip shape until I'm happy with that. And I'm just doing the front and then the top where it's going to meet. I'm not also doing it on the back. I'm going to cover the back with felt. When I use spackle like this, I always like to go over it with a wet paintbrush that I saved just for this purpose. Make sure that your brush is clean, and then just go over it. It makes it, you can almost sculpt it and make it look exactly how you want and make it smooth. Now these are polymer clay peppermints that I got on Etsy, and I'm just adding those into the wet spackle. Now these beads are from my shop. They're no hole beads, and the name of them is Peppermint. And they are limited edition for the holiday season. So I have a limited quantity and I don't know when they'll run out. So if you want them, you should come and get them. And now I'm using my sprinkles from my shop as well. These are called Peppermint Gingie. They have little peppermints in different sizes. They have little gingerbread men, and it has red and white circle fake sprinkles. So I don't want to use iridescent glitter for this, the one with the rainbow sheen to it. This is just plain white glitter. It is from Michaels. It's a medium thickness. And then I also used some fine glitter called Snow, and that is also from Michaels, and it is plain white. Now I'm just painting this stick white. Now it's time for a bow, so I'm just using this peppermint striped ribbon, which I got off of Amazon. And I'm just tying it 2 loops, and I'll secure them with a pipe cleaner. I decided I wanted a little bit more substantial bow, so I'm using this Snowball mesh, which I got at Dollar Tree. They have it several times a year at Christmas, Valentine's, and 4th of July. And you can also probably find it online, but it's going to be marked up a lot more than $1.25. So to make this kind of bow, I just fold it in on itself and then secure it with a pipe cleaner and then just glue it to the stick.
What I like to do is take a little strip of the excess material and cover up the center of my bow with that. You could also put a cute little cabochon over the center too. That would be a cute idea too. So now I'm just taking the peppermint bow and I'm gonna go ahead and glue that on top of the other bow and then just fluff it and play with it. Here it is, all finished. I just love it so much. It's super sparkly and fun. It will go really well with my peppermint living room this Christmas. If you liked this tutorial, please share it with your friends so my channel can grow and I can keep making free content for you.